Okay. So this is the life of failure. So
I know.
So he had burned down. So when I had put on the stove and I was gonna do it, but I changed my mind.
Oh,
Then when
okay,
you
yeah,
when
I
then when you asked that you wanted to do it, and I told you no because it might burn down the house, burn down something, and then you did it, and then it was in your hand right there, but you could just put it in water so it could burn out the fire right there, and
imagine if the spark had burst out and then go on the floor. It will make a bigger. Okay, next time.
and then I'm gonna show you people what this is, okay? How bad it is. This is what happens,
When you make a floor.
and now we're gonna get beat from this when they come home.
Now get away from.
We're gonna get beat. You see what you did? You see what you did? But my life is ruined. My life is ruined. I'm gonna be grounded and I can't do nothing. And my birthday's almost here. If this was my birthday, I wanna get beat. If this was my birthday. So the man. So look at the person who did this. Look at him. Look at him who did this. But I'm afraid. I'm afraid to say it was you, but I'm not gonna say it was you. Look at you. Why you did this? Look at my life. Now we're going.